Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. Fatih here. Today we are in Galataport, which is located in Karakoy. This is a brand new tourist attraction. What you can find here, actually this is a port for the cruise ships, but there are no cruise ships right now, so you can see the best view of Istanbul. But if you come here in summer, you will see a lot of cruise ships and you will not be able to see the best view of Istanbul probably in summer. So when you are visiting in Istanbul, don't forget, visit this Galataport. Welcome to Istanbul in 2022. It's just opened 1 month ago. There are many selections of cafes here. You can find many cafes here, and we're gonna go and have some coffee with the view of Bosporus. It's an amazing view. She's my camera girl today. She's the one who is recording me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Galataport Istanbul is regarded as a major destination project globally with a cruise liner port on the 1.2-kilometer coastline. Galataport Istanbul is an ecosystem in the heart of the city that offers the essential digital features. Well, Galataport is quite a nice place to spend your weekend. It's too crowded right now, but you can spend your time here, go on the restaurants, cafes, and many shops here where you can buy stuff. A lot of stuff, really. You can find anything. It's like a shopping mall, but like open air shopping mall. You can visit Galataport when you visit Istanbul. This is a brand new place. Okay, we are going by the sea. You can see a really nice Bosporus view. I will show you the exact point where you can find a place to photo shoot or video. Let's go there. You can see the best views of Istanbul from here. You can see the Topkapı Palace behind me, Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and on this side you can see the new TV tower. On this side you can see the Bosporus Bridge, the 15th of July bridge on Temmuz. What else I can say? Look at this beauty and enjoy your time in Galataport. If you remember on my previous videos, I showed you the best views of Istanbul, best places to see the best view in Istanbul. And now you can add one of these to that right now. This is Galataport. You can see amazing view of Istanbul in this Galataport. This is the last stop of Galataport. You can see the Bosporus Bridge right in front of you. Let's check it out. Alright, this is the best point of Galataport actually. Right at the end you can see the Bosporus Bridge right in the front, and this is the viewpoint of Galataport. Before you leave Galataport, don't forget to visit this point. You will see the best view of Istanbul. Several heritage buildings located within the project site are also being restored to embellish the city once again and are made more resilient with the soil improvement works. For watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to know more about Istanbul and Turkey, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment below what you'd like to see in this channel. See you in another video. Bye bye.